Let's take a look at this Architecture+Design Magazine. This is the December edition. Costs around 200 rupees or $2 or so. That's the cover story. It's the architect's responsibility to imagine spatial possibilities. So let's see how it looks. We got an ad for a window and door company, Finesta, India's #1 windows and doors brand. I didn't know that. Another ad for Green Panel, water resistant board, India's largest wooden panel manufacturer. These are the contents. Luxury tabs. That's the editorial. Xenoderma, an experimental sculpture, building with nature. Both use 3D printed elements. This has a 3D printed scaffolding. Spiderweb makes this beautiful display, and this is 3D printed and then injected with some kind of green goo. Really interesting stuff. This is a store review. That's quite amazing. They have some amazing selection. More trade news. That's a brand called Sage Living. Sofa looks beautiful. This is the interview with the architect. This was an exhibition titled Architecture of Practical Research, Reflection and Reformulation. Conservation of Taj Mahal in July 2001. RMA Architectures established the Taj Conservation Collaborative, which brought together a group of multidisciplinary conservation professionals from across the world to develop the project. Society invests in us as architects to help them imagine better spatial possibilities in which lives can be led, whether it's to address issues of equality or issues of public health care and well-being, and of course community formation in ways people interact with each other. This is a house designed by them. The courtyard contains a lap pool filled with fresh water that is used to recharge wells on the property when the house is closed after its use on the weekends. That's really interesting. Cover story was a couple of pages. This is a housing for nearly 100 elephants and their caretakers. This is a review of the book Working in Mumbai. This is another book by him. A Walk in the Urban Forest. This is being built in Mumbai. That's how it will look when it's completed. Some of the fauna, wildlife and flora it will have, hopefully soon. That's how it looks. Reinventing the healthcare architecture. Rainier de Graaf. That says designed for a healthcare facility Each section is surrounded by trees. Looks so amazing. Even the floor plan looks quite amazing. This was commissioned by Hamad Medical Corporation in Qatar. The interior looks quite amazing. This is about climate responsive design, a experiment symphony in bamboo. I always wondered how they water the plants on such buildings. That's the answer. They can use drones now. That's a structure for potted plants which will be maintained using drones and robot technology. A sustainable urban getaway, ground 11 architects in Pune, India. Amazing looking building. Love how much greenery it has. It even has 2 wind turbines to generate electricity. That's really interesting looking. Eco-friendly edifice. That's by Zero Design Lab in Haryana, India. Use the pool as a heat sink and the roof protects from direct radiation. It also casts this beautiful shadow. That's how the 2 units are combined, and that's the roof. Architecture in conversation with nature. Quite nice. Check it out.